Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. Okay, you all know me. I am your English teacher, Archana Singh, and today I am going to start the chapter The Canary. I know you have done it before, but since from today I'll be taking your class, so I just want to revise the chapter once more. Okay. I know it's a very interesting chapter. I hope you have all understood, but in spite of that, we will do it once more. After that, we will proceed for question answers and other exercises. Okay, so let's begin. The canary. Somo's father had given him a wonderful gift on his birthday, a little yellow canary. What was the gift Somu got on his birthday? A yellow canary. Somu named her Molly. What was the canary name? The canary's name was Molly. Molly sang softly and sweetly. At first, Somu looked after the bird. Each day he cleaned her cage, gave her seeds and fresh water. At tea time, he gave her a lump of sugar. See, when the canary was a gift for him, he used to take care of her. He used to clean her cage. He used to give her seeds, fresh water, lump of sugar also, right? So how much care he was doing of the canary, right? Next one, Molly was very happy in her cage. Molly's friends were very jealous of her. Somu's friends would come to see Molly every day. What happened? Molly was very happy in her cage. Molly's friends were very jealous of her. That every day their friends come to see that canary, right? For them, what did the canary do? The canary used to sing a song for him. After some weeks, Somu lost interest in Molly. When weeks gone, Somu gradually lost the interest in Molly. Now it was no longer fun to look after her. He was not finding it funny to look after her. Okay. One day he did not clean the cage, another day he did not feed her, and then, worst of all, he forgot to give her water. Day by day, gradually, what happened? He was not finding any fun to look at her. He was not cleaning her cage, not feeding her properly. And worst, what did he do? He did not give water to her. Okay, Molly was very unhappy. Somu loved her no longer and she could not sing because she was so thirsty. What happened? Molly was very unhappy by the behavior of Somu. Molly was very unhappy. She could not sing because all the time she was thirsty. She went to her water dish hoping that there might be just a water, but there wasn't any. She thought there must be water in her dish, but what happened? There was no drop of water in her water dish. Okay, then let's see what happened in the next. Yes. Next, what happened? Tweet, tweet, called Molly loudly, but Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun and took no notice of the little bird. What happened? Somu was busy playing with her toys and the canary was calling her tweet tweet like this, but Somu was ignoring her. He took no notice of that bird. She cried and her friends felt very sorry for her. What happened? Somu's friends felt sorry for her when she was crying. Tears ran down her face. Oh, I am in this cage. I can't get out to find food and water for myself, she said. What happened? Tears. She was crying. She was saying that I am in this cage. I can't go out to find food and water for myself. She was very sad. Chirpy, the sparrow, was sad too and said, We wish we could help you. Chirpy, the sparrow, was also sad. She said, "We wish we could help you." The little canary dropped her little yellow head and prayed to God. What did the canary did? She drooped her little head. Drooped means he fallen down the head, and she prayed to God. Early next morning, Somu's mother came to wake him. She was surprised when she did not hear the sweet voice of the canary. What happened in the next morning? Somu's mother came to wake him up. What did she see? She was surprised that she was not listening the voice of the canary. She peered into the cage. Molly was lying there half dead. What happened when she has gone near the cage? What did she see? That the canary was lying half dead. Somu's mother took her out of the cage carefully. Somu's mother took her out of the cage carefully and stroked her yellow feathers. She fed the little bird with fresh seeds and water. She was very angry with her son. Somu, what a dreadful thing! If you can't look after this poor creature, you have no right to keep it. I am so ashamed of you, said the mother. After seeing the scenario, mother was very angry on Somu, and she said, "What you have done with that canary? If you can't look to the beautiful creature, you have no right to keep it, right?" She was just angry on her son. Somu burst into tears, and felt sorry for her. Thereafter, he looked after Molly, the little canary, very well. After sometimes, when he felt ashamed of himself, he later on he took care of that canary very well. Okay, I hope you people have understood the chapter. It's very interesting. You have already done also. So while in the class we were doing, I'll be asking you some questions, and I'll be able to help you out that you have done this. Okay, so we will do the exercises gradually after the revision of the chapter, and I hope you will be all able to answer. Okay, so by this I am ending my chapter and class. See you in the next class. Stay fit, all of you. Stay happy, healthy. Send me the assignments on time. Do your assignments on time, and have a nice day. Bye. Take care.